Good morning, class 11. My dear students, today's topic is trigonometry function. Student, before discussing about the function, there is a need of angles. So, logic is angle. Dear student, there is an angle theta. This is the angle of some part of the circle. Let R is the radius of circle. This is the arc length. It is R, arc length. And this length is denoted by S. AB is the R. Here it is the radius. Then angle is defined as angle equal to arc over radius. And angle is denoted by theta. Theta equal to S upon R. Where S is the arc and R is the radius. The angle is measured by two ways. So let us come on the unit of angle. Dear student, now unit of angle. Angle are measured by two ways, degree and radian. Degree and radian. One more measurement, that is called gradient, but that is not required here. Degree is like that, theta and degree. Or we will write 30 degree, 45 degree and so on. Degree is represented by this way, and radian is represented by some arc line like C. Or sometimes we will write radian of particular angle. Like some radian, 2 radian, like that. Now, there is a relationship between degree and radian. Dear student, now there is a relationship between degree and radian. There is a logic, pi radian equal to 180 degree, or we can say the 180 degree is this angle, and this whole this is equal to pi radian. So 180 degree is pi radian, and 1 degree is a very small angle. It is pi upon 180. If we divide this 180 degree into 180 part, then 1 degree is a very small angle. This whole line is divided into 180 parts. Then one of the part is called 1 radian. So 1 degree. 1 degree is a very small angle. The small angle. If we write 30 degree, then 30 degree equal to 30 into pi upon 180. 0 0 cancel, 3 6 are 18. So it is pi upon 6. So we can say 30 degree equal to pi by 6. Similarly, 45 degree equal to pi by 4. 60 degree is pi by 3. 90 degree equal to pi by 2. If we write some more angle, then (180 degree equal to pi) and 2 pi by 3 equal to 120 degree, 3 pi by 4 equal to 135 degree, and 3 pi by 2 equal to 270 degree, and 2 pi equal to 360 degree. It means one round complete, and this complete angle equal to 360 degree. So we can say one of the circle that is making 360 degree angle at the center. Dear student, now let's come on radian. Pi radian equal to 180 degree. So 1 radian equal to 180 degree upon pi. Dear student, radian is one of the big angle. If we write the value of pi is 3.14. Then it is comes about 57 degree and 16 minutes. It is one of the approx value. So we can say radian is not a small angle. 1 radian is 57 degree and 16 minutes. Therefore 2 radian is also a double of it. This way radian is not the small angle. If we measure the angle in radian, then it is not a small angle, it is about the 57 degree and 16 minutes. And degree is a small angle. 1 degree is a very small. 1 degree angle, that is a very small angle. It is pi upon 180, and value of pi is 3.14 divided by 180. So it is a very small value. Small value. Student, this way you have seen 1 degree is a very small angle. It is 3.14 divided by 180. If we calculate this value, it is very small. So we can say 1 degree is a very small angle. Dear student, come on the exercise 3.1. Question number 1. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. First part, it is 25 degree. So it can be written as 25 into pi upon 180. It becomes radian. Now 5 5 is 25. 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30. So it is 5 pi upon 36 radian. Or we can write 5 pi upon 36 radian.
Was she here?